Have you ever thought about why women really like confident guys? Well, today we're getting right into it. I'm going to explain in simple terms what confident men do that makes women swoon. It's not just about being brave, there's a lot more to it than that. Are you excited to learn what makes these guys so irresistible? Let's jump in and explore why confidence is such a big deal. Women often like men who are confident and show masculine qualities. It's only about being tough. It's about really knowing your worth. This kind of confidence isn't just about being brave. It's about believing in yourself and what you can do. Confidence matters a lot, not only when it comes to dating, but also in jobs and growing as a person. When a guy is confident, he's not just someone you might date. He's someone who's winning at life in different ways. Being assertive isn't just about striding into a room and taking charge. It's about being sure of who you are and what you can offer. Basically, confidence isn't just attractive, it's a big deal. It doesn't just make a guy look good, it helps him earn respect and succeed in what he does. Number 1, directness and confidence. Confidence is about being clear and honest, especially in how guys approach relationships. Women like it when a guy is straightforward about what he wants. This means actively showing interest in her, being honest about his feelings and not playing games or being unsure. It's about being mature and feeling secure, qualities that confident guys naturally have. Confident guys don't get nervous around women. They know what they want and aren't afraid to go for it. This confident pursuit is really attractive. It's not just about being bold. It's about being truthful, genuine, and able to express yourself clearly. This direct approach is something to aim for. It's attractive, appealing, and makes a woman feel safe and comfortable expressing her femininity. It's important to remember that this doesn't mean only one person is making an effort. Relationships need both people to be involved. But from my own experience and what I've seen, when a guy takes the lead in starting things like planning and going on dates with confidence, it's really attractive. When a guy's action match his words, it shows how desirable he is. Number 2, purpose drives confidence. Confident guys stand out because they know exactly what they want. They're not afraid to go after it. And it's not just about love stuff. It's in everything they do. Whether it's doing great at work, coming up with cool ideas, solving problems, or leading teams, confidence is super important. Men who lead show this confidence, but it's not just about being successful. Having a purpose makes life more awesome and happy. This goes for hobbies, things you love, school, your job, whatever you're into. Doing what you're meant to do makes you a better friend, brother, son, and just a better person all around. It all starts with being confident in what you're doing and why it matters to you. Number 3, authenticity. When you're real about who you are and what you want, you become the best you can be. Being real leads to having a clear aim, feeling satisfied, and, most importantly, feeling sure of yourself. Women find this appealing because a confident man isn't held back by doubt. He's determined to reach his dreams and live his purpose. This way of living has a good effect on all your relationships. The special woman in your life will see this change. It also makes it easier for you to connect with others on a deeper level. Being true to yourself and expressing yourself fully brings huge joy, which makes you even more self-assured. Number 4, body language. Body language is super important when it comes to feeling confident, especially when you're meeting someone for the first time or when you're in a relationship. A guy who feels confident usually knows how to use his body language well, and that's attractive. It means things like looking into someone's eyes when you talk to them, being friendly and not close off with your arms crossed or hands in your pockets. These little things can show if you're feeling unsure or distant. Instead, standing in a friendly, open way is really important. This is where having charisma comes in. Confident guys often have this special charm that helps them connect with people, and when you combine that with good body language, it helps build a strong bond, even a romantic one. Good body language can make good things happen. It's super important when you talk to someone new, showing stuff words can't. Don't do bad body language like looking down or hiding your hands. Looking at someone and being interested can make a big difference when you meet. So here are 4 cool things confident guys do that ladies dig. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Tell me what you think in the comments. What do you do that ladies like? Share your tips and help others learn from you.